In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ConvertKit to create a landing page that truly stands out. Whether you're crafting this for a new campaign, an ebook launch, or a course sign-up, ConvertKit provides an intuitive and efficient way to make this happen. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your ConvertKit account. This is your gateway to all the dynamic tools and features ConvertKit offers. Once you've signed in and you're on the dashboard, let's move to the next step. On the dashboard, you will see a section labeled Grow. Click on this section and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option Landing Pages and Forms. This is the central hub for all your landing page activities, where you can manage your forms and create new landing pages with ease. Now that you're in the right place, look for the Create New button. Clicking this will present you with the option to select Landing Page. This action initiates the process of setting up your new page, taking you to a world of versatile templates designed to cater to varying market goals and aesthetics. When it comes to choosing a template, think carefully about your brand's image and what you want to communicate. There are numerous templates available, each tailored for different objectives, from basic sign-up forms to more elaborate, visually engaging pages. Find one that aligns best with your vision and the message you want to convey. Having chosen your template, it's time to infuse it with your own style. ConvertKit allows you to customize everything from the text to colors, fonts, and images. This personalization is key. Your landing page should be a reflection of your brand's identity. Make sure to adjust these elements so that your landing page not only looks inviting, but remains consistent with your brand's overall look. Next, it's crucial to include a compelling call to action. This is where you encourage visitors to take that next step, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, downloading an ebook, or enrolling in a course. Your call to action should be clear, concise, and prominently placed so that it grabs the viewer's attention immediately. With your page designed and ready, click on the Publish button. Once you do this, ConvertKit will generate a shareable link for your landing page. Share this link wherever your audience is, be it your social media channels, website, or newsletters, to drive traffic to your landing page. Lastly, keep track of how your landing page is performing right from the ConvertKit dashboard. This is an important step as it allows you to analyze user interactions and make necessary adjustments to improve engagement and conversion rates. Assessing the performance regularly can provide valuable insights into what's working and what might need tweaking. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to creating a landing page with ConvertKit. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Thank you for watching and happy creating.